Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Mar. Wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. We love you. Birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday. More blessings and more birthdays. So beautiful.
Hey ate, happy birthday. Thank you. I love you.
And
More blessing. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy
Happy birthday, ate. Thank you for everything and you're the best ate that we ever had. Sana magtagal pa kayo ni Kuya and sana magka-baby na kayo soon. Yun lang, love you, ate.
Happy birthday, ate. Wish you all the best. I love you so much and sana magtagal kayo ni Kuya and excited na ako magkapamangkin. Yun lang, bye.